morning everyone, it's Mr. Allen here for our Year 3 presentation assembly. It's the end of half term, it's Friday the 12th of February and we're here to celebrate all of those children who have been posting so much work on Class Dojo throughout this half term during this lockdown. Some amazing Year 3s, the certificates will all be coming home in the post, so look out for them in the post and enjoy them over half term. Over to these amazing Year 3s. In Year 3, we are starting with Mr. Ackermans Math Stars. We've got Thea, Ruby and Byron. Well done, guys. You absolute superstars. Really well done. Well-deserved certificates. So look out for them. They're coming in the post to you. So look out for them in the post. And I know Mr. Ackerman's so impressed with all of that interaction, all of that work that you're posting on Class Dojo and how hard you are working through your maths working at home. So really well done, Thea. Well done, Ruby, and well done, Byron. I am proud of you three. Well done. Thank you, and keep it up, guys. Well done. Moving on. Oh, look at these Miss Whites. Look at Miss Whites. English stars. We've got Esme, Regan, Millie, Lexi, Eva, Jakisha, Milana K, Mia, Caius, Savannah, Christopus, and Khaleesi. Wow, for amazing work in English, home learning, spelling, handwriting, and spelling shed. Wow, guys, I know Miss White is so impressed with how much work you guys are doing with your home learning. It is amazing. Your English certificates will be coming to you in the post, so do look out for it and keep up that amazing work, guys, because I am so proud of you all. Well deserved, every single one of you. Congratulations, guys, and keep up the good work. Moving on, here we go. Mr. Ackerman's English stars. Here we go. Look at these four. We've got Reese, Abe, Bailey and North. Well done, boys. You absolute are the English superstars. I know you've been working so hard online on Class Dojo, interacting with that, spelling shed, all of those things. So really well done, guys. I know Mr. Ackerman's really proud of you. Huge congratulations. And look out for those certificates winging their way in the post to you. Okay, guys? Proud of you and keep it up. Well done, you four. Moving on. Oh, look at the math stars. Here we go. Look at Miss White's math stars. You've got Charlamagne, you've got Mandy, Fiona, Eric, Mahir, Eric, Lola, Pandora, Khaleesi, Max, Jaden and Joseph for amazing work in maths home learning, times tables and times table rockstar. You superstars. Well done, guys. Absolutely brilliant. I know the maths that you've been doing at home is as good as the maths you've been doing in school. And I know that, and I know how hard you are all working. I'm constantly checking as well on Class Dojo. Mr. Allen keeps having a sneak peek to look at all the things that you are posting. So really well done and well deserved. And I know Miss White was so chuffed to give all of you and so many of you certificates because you just deserve it. So really well done, guys, and keep it up. Proud of you all. Well done. Mr. Ackerman's reading stars. Now, these four not only are going to get a certificate, but they're going to get a reading book as well. We've got Marshall, Berin, Tilly, and Jack, our reading stars. Yay! Well done, guys. You absolute superstars. Well done. Reading every single day. I know Mr. Ackerman is really impressed and really proud of you all, so keep it up. And I hope you enjoy your reading book when they arrive in the post with your certificate. So congratulations, guys. And it'd be lovely to see some pictures of you reading your new books. So well done, guys. Keep up the good work. Fantastic. And Miss White's, look at these reading stars. Look at this. Look, we've got Lexi, we've got Mandy, Savannah, and Milana K. Look at you guys. And the reading that you are doing is phenomenal. I know Miss White's so impressed every single day. Loving your reading. Lots of posting of you reading. Lots and lots. So I really hope you enjoy your books when they arrive, because your books will be coming with your certificates in the post. So do keep it up, guys, and keep reading every single day. And again, it'd be nice to see some nice pickies of you with your new reading book and certificates on Class Dojo as well. So looking out for those. Well done, guys. Brilliant effort. Oh, look at Mr. Ackermans. Look at this. Great attitude to learning stars. Absolutely amazing attitude. You've got Daniel, Diego, Alea, and Heather. Guys, well done. Great attitude is an understatement. I know how hard you have absolutely been working every single day with big smiles on your faces as well. So please do keep that up. Whether that's home learning, here and at school, it's fantastic to see. So please do keep it up, guys. I am really proud of you. And look out for your certificates. Loving that you've got such positive attitudes, and keep that up, because it's really important to keep that going throughout these tough times. Well done, guys. Proud of you all. We go, look at these for amazing effort with schoolwork, helping out and resilience during lockdown. That's exactly it. This great attitude's carrying on through Miss White's class. Look at these. Charlamagne, Christopus, Mahir, Jakisha, Joseph, Mia, Savannah, Millie, Lexi, Lola, Milana K, and Mandy. All of you with massive smiles on your faces. Exactly. It just helps me get through these times as well, because seeing you all smiling, seeing you all working so hard, really proud of you. Well earned certificates here for carrying on with a really positive attitude, guys. Thank you. You're setting a great example to everyone else. So thank you so much, and keep it up. You absolute superstars. Well done. And well done to everyone in year 3. You are all amazing. That is it. You absolutely are. I am so proud of you guys, the way that you are working through this, getting all your work done, getting everything done with a real positive smile on your face. It's lovely to see. Really well done. Have a well-earned rest. Half term coming up, so really have a good rest over this next week. And then next half term, hopefully we'll see lots and lots more work posted on Class Dojo. And